Subpoena. Okay, coming to the definition of subpoena, it is nothing but a document. Why do you need this document? To summon a witness to the court. And it is under penalty, which means it's punishable if the witness does not come. And this is on a particular day, time, and place. What is the purpose of issuing this document? It is for the witness to give evidence. Okay, so this is the complete definition. It is a document that is issued to summon a witness to court of law. It is under penalty on a particular day, time, place for the purpose of giving evidence. It is covered under section 63 to 71 BNSS. There are a few key features of this. First is it is issued in court writing in duplicate, signed by the presiding officer of the court and has the seal of the court. So it is issued by the court in writing. It is in duplicate. It is signed by presiding officer of court and bears the seal of the court. Next point is it is served on the witness by a police officer, officer of the court, or any other public servants. Only these three people. Okay, police officer, officer of court, or public servant. And third point is, so there would be two copies. So the witness will retain one copy, and the other one would be signed by the witness and returned to the officer in acknowledgement, which means saying that okay, we have received, and they will sign. And it can also be in terms of electronic communication as well. Okay, so now when a witness is called to the court, they would be missing a day of work, right? So in civil cases, the witness is eligible for compensation for loss of pay of work, and it is called conduct money. But in criminal cases, remuneration is not given to the witness. Why? Because giving evidence is in interest of the state in securing justice. So for criminal cases, you do not get conduct money, but for civil cases, you can get compensation, monetary compensation. Okay. And now, for example, when you are a witness and you have to go to court, if you do not go to court for civil cases, you have to pay fine or damages. In criminal cases, they will first issue a notice, and you are liable for imprisonment or fine, and a non-bailable or bailable warrant will be issued. Okay, so civil cases, fine or damages; criminal cases, imprisonment, fine, and bailable, non-bailable warrant. Okay. And see, you're called as a witness to give evidence in the court, right? So you have to bring any books, documents, or relevant articles for producing evidence in the court. Now, what happens if a witness gets summoned for civil and criminal court on the same day? Then they should go for criminal court because it's placed higher on the hierarchy. And if it's between a higher and low court, of course, higher court will take precedence. And if it's two courts on the same level, whichever summon they received first, they will go for that, and they have to inform the other court. Okay. Now they can be exempted from court provided they give any valid evidence. Like you have any valid reason and you give evidence for that, then you can be exempted from court. Okay, now subpoena can be of two types. One is ducis tecum and the other one's ad testificandum. Ducis tecum, just think of documents. So the witness has to bring relevant documents like a post-mortem report or a medical legal report. And ad testificandum means they have to testify, like orally testify before the court. Okay, conduct money. So conduct money we had discussed in terms of compensation in civil cases, right? So, conduct money is nothing but the fee that is paid to a witness in civil cases, that is to meet the expenses of attending the court. And if the fee is not paid, or if they feel that no, the amount is less, then the witness can bring it to the notice of the judge before they give evidence to the court, not after they give. Before they give evidence, they can request the judge, and the judge will decide the amount that is to be paid. And as I said before, in criminal cases, no fee will be paid because of the interest of the state in securing justice. And if they do not turn up in a criminal case, they can be charged with contempt of the court, fine, imprisonment, and bailable, non bailable warrant can be issued.